In today's video, we are going to show you how to track your order on Kakobuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to the Kakobuy website and make sure you are logged into your account. If you do, I want you to click the profile icon on the top right corner, and of course, you need to click the order. This will open your order details. Now, inside of the order details, you would be able to see the tracking number along with a link or button to track your package. You just have to click to view the shipping progress. That's one way. Another option that you can do is simply go to any website that can track your package. For example, this one is 17track.net. All I have to do is enter the tracking numbers, which can be found again on your order section on your account. For example, we're going to be tracking this right here, and press the enter. Track it, it will automatically show with you the progress and the status of your shipment. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.